Alright guys, so this is my second attempt filming this video. I had audio issues with the last one. It's very early right now, it's 5 a.m. Getting ready to go to the gym, so I just really wanted to get this video out there, so let's get to it. Alright, wake up. Alright, let's do this. Fresh clean tees versus next level 6210 tees. Now before I get into this, if you haven't checked out my video review comparing fresh clean tees to true classic tees, then I will leave a card up above as well as a link down below for you guys to check out. Now quick little backstory. Fresh clean tees was allegedly exposed for using next level tees, more specifically their 6210 model as their blanks. And what they would do is they would order a whole bunch of them, tear out the next level tag and just stamp their logo on them and just flip them for about like 3 times the price. Now I will say allegedly because I do not know if it's a fact, but other reviewers have shown some compelling evidence. But as of the date of this video, I have come across some new findings. Now if you look at the website for blanks from Next Level Apparel and Fresh Clean Tees, you will notice that they both carry the exact same colors, but the only difference is the name given for each colorway. Now I was expecting to receive the same style of t-shirt from both brands, but it turns out they are completely different. Style, fit, and color are not the same, so I'm assuming they started to source their t-shirts from a different company or started to manufacture their own. The tearaway tag label stitching is completely non-existent on my t-shirt, and the key differences that you can instantly notice is the collar width between the two, the fit, also being a bit baggier with fresh clean tees, as well as the length being a bit longer for the next level tees. Now as for the fabric, it feels relatively the same. It doesn't have that same suede cotton feel that True Classic Tees has, but it's okay for what it is. But yeah, that's a quick comparison between the two t-shirts. Hopefully it helps you guys out if you guys were curious about this topic, but I still stand by True Classic Tees being the better t-shirt, even compared to Next Level Tees. Once again, I'll make sure to leave my comparison video for you guys to check out. And that wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.